So, good morning, my dear students. Here I am going to explain the chapter Environmental Pollution. And as you know, this chapter is not so hard. So, I am going to explain it by showing the book here or the lines, whatever is written in the book. You can see here in this video only our environment. We are surrounded by land, water, air, plants, and animals. Yes, we know that we are surrounded by land, water and air and plants and so many other living things and non-living things. We need water, air and other living things to survive. And to survive here, we need water also, air also and so many other living things. Everything around us make up our environment and affects our life on the earth. Everything that is around us, it makes up our environment. Now, what is pollution? Harmful things sometimes mix in the water or air around us and pollute our environment. And these substances are called pollutants. So many harmful substances are there and they mix with the water or air that are around us and pollute our environment. And these substances we are saying pollutants. Now pollution leads to the spread of disease. We know only if pollution is there, then more and more diseases will be there. Diseases are spreading like anything when pollution is there. It is harmful to all living things and we know it is harmful to all living things. When waste water from homes and factories drains into the seas, ponds and rivers, it causes water pollution. The water we are using in our home, it is going out from our bathroom or from our kitchen. Okay, they are known as the waste water. And even some waters from the factories also, they are draining into the seas, ponds and rivers, and this causes the water pollution. Now, when you walk to school, have you noticed smoke and the dust from vehicles like the trucks and the auto rickshaws? The smoke causes air pollution. Whenever you are coming to school or you are going out of your home, you can see the smoke is coming out from the vehicles and even from factories also. And this pollutes the air. This is known as air pollution. And breathing in this polluted air is both harmful and dangerous. And when we are breathing this polluted air, it is very much dangerous for us. Okay, we may fall ill also. Now, dumping garbage from home and factories in open spaces causes land pollution. If we are throwing the garbage here and there in the open spaces, then it causes land pollution. The garbage attracts mosquitoes and other pests, leading to the spread of disease. If we will throw the garbage in the open space, then the mosquitoes will breed there and these mosquitoes and other pests, they will spread diseases. Then next we have pollution in the cities. Air pollution affects people living in the cities. Cities are crowded with cars, buses, auto rickshaws and motorcycles that use fuel. We are using fuel like petrol and diesel in our auto rickshaws, bus, cars, motorcycles. Okay, and whenever we are riding those vehicles, then smoke is coming out from that. And that's why we have more pollution in the cities. And smoke from factories in and around the cities also causes air pollution. We know so many factories are there in the cities and the smoke that are coming from these factories, they also causes air pollutions. Now see this, people who have piped water supply, however receive clean water as polluted water is first treated and polluting substances are removed. Now we have water supply in our home. In the cities we have water supply and these waters are first purified, then only it reaches to our home. Okay, garbage thrown carelessly by the people causes land pollution. When you are throwing the garbage in the open space, then this causes land pollution. Now pollution in villages. The water in villages become polluted when people use water bodies like the rivers and the ponds for bathing and washing clothes. We have rivers and ponds in the villages and what we do, we use those rivers and ponds, we go there and we use the water for bathing or cleaning or washing our clothes. And these pollute the water which is also used for drinking. And some people even they use the water of the rivers and the ponds to drink also. And if we are bathing there or washing our clothes, then these waters are polluted. Now air pollution is less in village as there are fewer vehicles such as cars and motorcycles. There are very few buses on the roads. In the village we know air pollution is less because in the village we don't have so many vehicles, and so smoke is less there, and even factories also we don't have more in the village side, so we have less pollution in the village. Now keep the environment clean. Do not spit or throw garbage on the roads. We should not spit or we should not throw garbage on the roads. Then we have to dump the garbage only in the covered dustbin. Throw the garbage or the dump the garbage in the covered dustbins. Plant trees in your school or home. Trees help to keep the air fresh and clean. We have to plant trees. Okay, trees keeps the air fresh and clean. Try to walk or cycle to nearby places instead of using a car. When you have to go to nearby places, then try to walk or go by a cycle instead of using car or motorcycle. Okay, that's all.